Hi guys, it's Herman h.chan from Golden Gate Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm standing in front of my new listing at 1658 Sugarloaf in beautiful San Mateo, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. In fact, I'm going to show you right now. Follow me. All right. The thing that makes this house so special is that it's actually single story, which is very, very rare. So it's great as a starter home, great as a downsizing home. But check that, 2-car parking in the garage, 2-car parking in driveways, plus visitor parking around here. And this garden area is actually very low maintenance, so it's perfect for you guys who are working all the time. We're in San Mateo, equidistant from San Francisco and Silicon Valley, so great for you commuters. Now, look at this runway here, okay? Look, your own personal runway. Boop! Welcome home. I like the fact that this door on the side, it gives you more privacy. Come on in. Ooh, welcome home. Check this out. I love this formal foyer, great for shoes, art, a little separation from the common areas. So as you come in, quick stats, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1710 square feet, which is huge for a 2-bedroom. This house is split into 2 parts. To the right is gonna be the bedrooms, and to the left here is the common area. Check this out. Look how big this space is. Soaring vaulted ceilings, fireplace, wood burning, flanked by 2 huge windows and sliding doors. And this extra bonus area, which used to be the old dining room, which we converted into a little sitting area. The new dining room is back there. Let me show you a little anachronism from the 80s. This was built in 84. So, this huge enclave here, which is almost a closet. There's an old TV plug here because back in those days, the TV literally was the size of that closet. Pre-iPads. Anywho, I like this area. We made this into the dining room for the staging, but this clearly could be another like retreat, library zone if you want to. It opens up to the atrium, which also opens up to the other side. So I love the circularity of this house. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And honestly, these side skylights with these slash of the sunlight coming through. Look how this ray of light is so gorgeous, right? Great space to entertain too. These windows face out to the side yard, so plenty of area for you to enjoy, read, relax, sunbathe, little side garden here. It's so quiet. It's really, really quiet because we're on the upper part of San Mateo. Okay, so that's the common area. Let's hop into the kitchen. Follow me through these pocket doors. Again, this kitchen, like all the rooms, are huge. For a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, for 1710 square feet, it's massive, okay? So yeah, this is definitely original 80s with the tile and whatnot, and these lovely fabric, which is very Blanche Devereaux Golden Girls, which I love, it's not a bad thing. So, breakfast nook here, again on the corner, very well lit, sun-drenched, original light fixture. These are back. I promise you, yes, 80s are back. Again, this is so large at this point that you could even put even a more permanent counter here if you want more counter space. But just check this out. Absolutely beautiful, okay? So through another pocket door, now we're back to the foyer. Follow me. So as you come onto the more private side of the property, to my left is the atrium I told you about. I like this because it's what sets this house apart. Most homes do not have an inner atrium like this, and I've been told by other owners actually that they've enclosed this permanently and made this into another room. Bedroom, office, den, gym, you name it. So legally 2-bedroom, but it could be possibly 3. Okay. So here's the first official bedroom. Everything here is amply sized. Beautiful. 1710 square feet for a 2-bedroom. So every room is very generously laid out. Full bathroom here for your guests, skylight, okay? And here through these double French doors. Okay, guys, check this out. This is the primary ensuite. It's literally the size of a studio apartment in San Francisco. Look how big this is. Again, another pocket door, this time double. Come through here, follow me. Walk-in closet. His and her sakes, or his and hers or hers, don't cancel me, but you know, lots of space here. And this original gorgeous faux yellow marble, which is very 1984. And there you have it. That's pretty much the master ensuite, or primary ensuite rather. 2-car parking in the garage, where the laundry is, and I want to talk to you guys about this location. We are located just minutes away from the College of San Mateo. Hillsdale Shopping Center isn't too far either, and you have easy freeway access for commuters, for shopping, so it's the best of both worlds. Very low HOAs, but more importantly, this is where you're gonna spend your time. Nice, easy living, single story, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Call me anytime for a showing. I'd be happy to show you, all right? Bye.